Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and it's Saturday, so it's time for me and my little helpers to pick the winners from our giveaways posted on videos from July 28th through August 2nd. For anyone new to the channel, we like to do coin roll hunts and bill searches, and we give away something that we find from every hunt. In order to enter these giveaways, all you have to do is comment on the video and then watch our regular Saturday winners video, just like today's video, to see if you won. So let's see what we're giving away today. First off, in our comment video for our $half hunt live stream, July 28th, someone that commented on that video is going to win a 1964 Kennedy. Then someone that commented on our Thursday, July 30th penny hunt video is going to win this Warman Lincoln Cents folder, and we put a couple pennies that we found from the hunt into the folder. Other than that, it's empty, so that way someone can build a collection on their own. And then on August 1st, we did a winner's video just like today's video. So someone that commented on that video is going to win the 1942 Walking Liberty. And then on last Sunday, August 2nd, we did a mail call video, and someone that commented on that video is going to win a 1942 Walking Liberty. Just a quick reminder, if you win, you need to claim your prize within 7 days by emailing me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com and let me know your YouTube channel name. That way we can connect your email with your YouTube name, and then I can shoot you a link so that way you can claim your prize on my website, robinhoodcoins.com. That way you put in your information for shipping, and that way I don't mess it up, and then we'll get it shipped out to you. So let's go ahead and pick those winners. All right, everybody, so let's go ahead and pick those winners, and I have both my little helpers here.
Hi!
All right, the littlest helper is going to get the number of unique commenters and control the mouse. And this is for the comment video from last week. And
210.
All right, little helper is going to read off the winner.
Carco. As usual, I'm a day late.
And you may be a day late, but you win that 1964 Kennedy, Carco. Thank you for watching. And the littlest helper is going to get us into the next video, which is the penny hunt video.
223. That's even more than the first.
Yeah, it is.
Peggy Smith's penny hunts so fun. You can get many different varieties. Good luck.
Well, good luck to you, Peggy Smiths. You win the Warman's Lincoln Cent folder with a couple of the wheat cents that we found in the hunt.
Just to start it off.
Yep.
265.
265 comments is for last week's winners video. Let's go ahead and get the winner, littlest helper.
And that's even more than a second.
Yeah, that's even more than that other video.
Ellie
Lakari.
Congratulations to all winners, and thanks again, Robinhood Coins.
Well, thank you, El Lakari, for watching. You win a 1942 Walking Liberty. And the littlest helper is getting on to the last video. This is the mail call video from last Sunday.
221.
All right, little helper. Who's the winner?
Robert Stroback. Always love mail call. Your little helpers are always so excited.
And thank you very much, Robert Stroback. We really appreciate you watching. And thank you, everyone that won. Please remember to email me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com. Let me know your channel name, and I'll send you a link to claim your prize.
The Robinhood Coins giveaway for today's videos is 1964 Denver.
1964 Kennedy, minted in Denver. That's right, little helper. As always, to enter the giveaway, comment on this video, and then be sure to watch next Saturday's winners video to see if you won.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos or giveaways. We will see you on the next hunt.